today we're gonna demonstrate this bend fan that we got for our RV. It's actually a really nice modern one that comes with a lot of sensors on it. It has a rain sensor here that you can use, air in and air out that a lot of fans don't have. And this, it closes automatically in or up, down as well. It's really nice. But the best thing about it, it has the rain sensor. If it's raining, a little bit of sprinkles, you turn that on and it'll close automatically when it starts raining on you. So let's test it. We're gonna turn it on for you guys. So this is air out. See how quiet and fast it is. And then we're gonna do air in, which will be the opposite. That's how loud it is, so you don't have to worry about the loud noise. And then we're gonna turn it off. There's up. Now we're gonna open the thing at the top for you guys. So there you go, up. That's how the auto works. You gotta press up to open it up. And then we're gonna close it back down. Just press it and it'll close all the way shut down. The other nice thing about it, it comes tinted for you. That way when you close it, you don't have to worry about the sun shining in on you in the daytime. It's really nice. And if you need some light, just open it up.
This part, the one with the ethos, is the top.